You want to see some big equipment? Let me go show you some big equipment. You made it to LIGNA. We are in Hanover. This is LIGNA 2023. Everybody's coming back. Super excited. Lunchtime. We found an innovative company here. They got this really interesting motor. So what is your technology?
It's a permanent magnet synchronous motor, energy savings up to 30%.
This is where all the controls are at. This is the Centronics proportional valve.
It's the very first battery-powered sawmill that we're seeing here in person in LIGNA. These saw blades aren't just fixed, they're optimized based on the scans upstream. Come in closer and get a testimony of this, man.
Yeah.
This is a customer testimonial right here that's about to happen.